What's going on? Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and this is kind of a special car. It's a 68 Charger. We don't get too many of these in. I get calls all the time, people requesting us to get one of these cars. Well, we got one with a 383 power steering under the hood. We're gonna be doing a test drive on it. There's the original broadcast sheet in the trunk behind the back seat. I'm not going to pull it out. It's going to fall apart. It is old. It is brittle. It is still there. We've got detailed pictures of that on my website. So something cool I can't prove, but the miles match the title on this one. So that is a good indication, but it's still not proving original miles. This is going to be a sweet car. We're going to take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws that I could find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check out my website for financing and shipping information. We'll try to help you out the best we can. Hit that subscribe button. I do post videos like this every single day. And if you like the music at the beginning, go ahead and subscribe to my music channel. I write all the songs. That's Southgate Production. All right, guys, without further ado, it's that time. Let's go for a test drive. Kind of checking out the interior before we take off here. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Something we like to do on this channel. Seat over here's got a little slit in it. Back seat's not in bad shape. Headliner, not too bad. Got a little spot here. Go ahead and start her up. Go ahead and try the windshield wipers here. They do work. Gotta play the game with them. Radio, it does not work. It's not cutting on. Fan, it kicked on. Not blowing hard, but it kicked on and it is working. Horn, you ready? No horn on this one. Let's take off down the road. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. Digging for my seat belt. I don't know, I think it's trapped. So it's trapped. Come on. There we go. No, that's the wrong one. All right, guys, we'll figure that out later. We're gonna take off here. Like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna be here to point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying. Car here is pulling slightly to the right. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Looks like our gas gauge is floating around pretty good. Clock's not working anymore. Oil pressure gauge is up. Our tip gauge, I don't think it's gonna work. I don't know, we'll see. It's all the way down and we've had it running for a second, so. Down is hooked up on this one. Check my brakes. Brakes stop fast. Brakes are quick to stop on this car. Kind of touchy, really. Get on these back roads so I can really get into it. Everybody's kind of putting around town right now. See them touchy brakes. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on this one. It doesn't automatically cut off your turn signals. You have to manually cut them off. A little bit of a miss, sounds like. Carburetor may have a little bit of gunk in it. Needs to be driven. Second to third is a long gear. It shifts at the higher RPM. We're gonna pull up in here, get some outside shots, drive by the camera, let you hear what the car sounds like from the outside, and keep this video rolling. If you wanna know what I'm using, a GoPro 7, all my equipment's listed below with Amazon links. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, getting ready to take off. Got y'all on the head cam now. Temperature gauge is not working on this one. You're gonna need an aftermarket temperature gauge. Motor is staying cool though. Haven't had any issues, been driving around the parking lot for a little while. Notice the power steering's like sometimes. Not all the time, just every once in a while. It's working good right now. I can hear the turn signals. It's like goodness, it was almost a wreck there. Speedometer's coming up, looks pretty correct. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it. This turn signal shaker's a little faster. Oh, there's a speed bump halfway up this road here. Right here. Nice and smooth. So you turn it left about half the speed. Maybe we got a bulb out on the right. Maybe that's what it means. trying to beat the traffic today. If somebody ain't putting around, they're stopping. That's what it seems like. I think we're gonna have an open road shot here. I'm gonna turn around and do it again. One more time. I think this'll work here. We're gonna pull back into the lot here. I'm gonna do my outside walk around description video. Definitely check that out. You can see the inside, underneath, any flaws that I can find other than the driving part, I will let you know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. Guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. If you like the music at the beginning, go to Southgate Production. That's my writer's page. I write music all the time, so check that out. And check out maplemotors.com. We got financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. You can also see all of our inventory on that website. We specialize in classic muscle cars. All right, we're gonna do a walk around here in just a moment, so be waiting for that. You can see that video pop up here in just a second. The last 30 seconds of this one. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.